Alright, today we're just going to take a quick look at the Earthquake 212cc shredder. Now, if you're like most of us, we picked it up online because it's probably one of the most economical 3-inch shredders on the market. But a lot of us have questions, which I had also, into whether this particular item can basically mulch certain things as, get back out here, as vines and things along those lines. Vines is a biggie for a lot of us because a lot of us got this English ivy which we just can't eat. So I'm not going to bore you. I'm going to go right into the shredder itself, show you how it shreds each one of these items: regular wood, vines, basically, evergreen, whatever you want to call it. And also to give you a little bit of an idea as far as a heads up, this is what it looks like after it's done. But let's get right into show and tell. All right, let's start shredding. Remember, the system's not perfect. You're still gonna have to move some things around. And basically, there you have it. It fills up pretty fast, but makes quite a bit of mulch. But as you can see, you can easily grind the vines. They may get stuck a little bit towards the top. Always use a stick to make sure your hand never goes down below that. Do not put your hand down below that line. And you'll find yourself using the mulcher or the grinder a little bit more than basically the actual 3-inch portal in which to put your branches, let's say. Because most of what you have is just going to be pretty much small stuff anyways. It's not going to fit through that small portal. Again, it's Ralph Turchiano. Hope this helps, but this answered some questions for me also too at the same time. Alright, catch you in a bit. Bye.